Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a verification code on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see this is an example. I got a Walgreens verification code, and the key at the very top, you can see it came from a 5-digit number. Now, if you're trying to get a code texted to you through SMS or something like that, and it's not coming through, the very first thing that I would recommend doing is making sure you're not filtering them out without meaning to do so. So let's hop out of here and open up your settings, scroll to the bottom, tap on apps, and then scroll down until we find messages on this list. Now keep in mind, depending on your message settings, you could have it filtered or being put into a different location that you don't know to check in that specific location. So let's make sure you're not doing that. The first thing I would recommend doing is scrolling down, and you can see unknown senders here. Let's turn on screen unknown senders, and on here text message filtering, let's choose to text message filter, and then also let's choose to filter spam. So essentially what we're doing is turning on all of these filters to make sure whenever you get that verification code, it's filtered to a specific spot that you'll always be able to find it in that one spot. So let's hop out of here and I'll show you where that is. Let's hop back into messages, and within here, you'll be able to see now those verification codes are missing in my main screen. It's just people that I text with regularly that I have their contacts. However, I can find those codes by tapping on the filter. It's usually in transactions, and there you can see all of my text message codes. You can see again at the very top, I can go into that Walgreens code and be able to see it directly in there. So it is all in one place now that you'll always be able to see those codes that are texted to you. However, keep in mind, this doesn't always work. Then there are other things that you can do to make sure that you're getting those codes. Let's go back into your settings, and within your settings, let's first just scroll down, and you can see retry as text message, toggle that off and back on, and then RCS messaging, make sure that is turned on. Both of these will help to enable text messaging on your iPhone instead of necessarily iMessage. Usually these come through as green text message bubbles, not necessarily as iMessages. However, the next thing that we will do is go to the very top, and we're going to toggle iMessage off and back on just in case. And then after we've done that, we're going to scroll down and we're going to choose block contacts. Now this sounds simple. Oh, not that, block contacts. This sounds simple, but keep in mind, a lot of times people accidentally report spam or block a text message code that was sent to them. So let's tap on unknown here, and you can see any phone numbers or email addresses you blocked. If you blocked a number that is a 5-digit number, keep in mind that text message might be being sent from that 5-digit number. So if you did block them, all you need to do is swipe to the left and choose to unblock them. However, if this doesn't work for you, it's no problem, because there are other things we can do to get that code definitely sent to you. The first thing I would recommend doing is swiping down from the top right. We'll toggle airplane mode on. This will disconnect from your cell carrier. In case it's hung up in the network, we'll just disconnect and then reconnect. And by doing so, we'll reconnect to that cell carrier and get any text messages that are being hung up or lagging in the network. The last thing that I would recommend doing to definitely get that text message is there could be an issue with your iPhone. There could be a bug or a glitch. And a lot of times it's super easy to fix those on your iPhone and make sure everything comes through. And we'll do that simply by just restarting your phone. So we're going to press the volume up and side button, and then just slide to power off your phone. Turn it off completely, turn it back on, request that verification code, and you'll get it texted immediately to you. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.